let's start. So it is when we say that anybody asks you about what is your occupation, it means what or what is the work that a person do to earn money.
Like just work only.
That is
I don't know, go office.
go office, yes. So they'll be having different people will be having different professions, na?
Hmm.
Like what?
Like boss.
Boss where? Boss can be a doctor, boss can be a businessman, boss can be a serviceman, it can be a farmer, tailor. Boss is what? Who supervising you. That is a boss. Yes. Are you clear with what occupation is?
Hmm.
What is it?
Mom, what is the new chapter?
Occupation and community helpers.
I'm not community helpers. We can do that spacey one again, please. That's good.
What?
The space one.
The space one.
The one which we used to do, na? Earth and all. In one video, I saw Kepler 22b.
Yes.
It rotates around a kind of sun-like star.
Yes. But we didn't discuss it in the class because it is not in your syllabus, na? So that is why.
So can we just that is a new chapter, please?
Don't you think so that first we should cover the topics of
I have audited on Dr. Binox. If you were saying let's land on Kepler 22b, then they landed and died.
Okay, let's start with this only chapter, then we'll do that. First we need to cover the syllabus now. So talking about occupation, if I ask somebody that what is the occupation, that means I'm asking about the work that person does to earn money.
That go to office.
Yes.
Teach kid.
Yes. So obviously different people will be having different occupations, na? There will be different people who will be doing different works. There can be doctor, there can be teacher, farmer, tailor. Okay. So different people do different work. So examples are what? Number one is the doctor itself. It is what? The teacher.
Doctor is the teacher?
No, I'm saying first occupation is what? The doctor. When I'm saying the person is doctor, that means it is its occupation, his or her occupation, the work he does. Okay. Yes, he or she, definitely. Okay. So doctor, teacher, engineer, farmer,
Anything.
tailor.
Anyone.
Yes. All this is what? These are the examples of occupation, different works that the
People do.
does. Yes, good. Now, what important point is that every honest occupation is important because different people perform different jobs that help the community. If you're honest with your work, if you're honestly doing your work, that will be a good part of your job. Because whatever work you're doing, it is directly or indirectly going to help the community.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, if I ask you about anything you know about the community, so
Community helpers are the people who help us.
how can you say that?
And they help us. Like a police officer
When we see
police
community,
officer catch thieves.
yes.
And the
But
doctor.
one police officer is not a group of people. He's a single individual there. Community is a group of, we say, people who work. Okay, I'm repeating it. Community is what? It is a group of people who
Acha, so
live.
doctor is a group of people. Doctors, police,
Doctors, yes, yes.
police,
So they, yes,
firefighters.
yes, you're right here. So people who live, work, and interact with each other in the same, we say,
Dog.
area and help each other. So that group of people would be called as now,
Group of people.
it will be called as,
Group of people.
group of people would be called as community.
Community helpers.
Okay, it will be called as community. So the helpers which are present there in the community are the doctors. Again,
Can I
they
do
are,
that? The solar system.
we are already done with that, my dear.
No, that solar system one about Kepler 22b.
We'll do that. I'm saying we'll do that, but it is not part of your syllabus. That is why I'm not. We are not doing it right now. We need to cover the syllabus now first.
Kepler 22b because they have kind of water which are not of and it could be a life living place, but
Yes.
without oxygen we can't.
Okay. See. What we can do is you can study this topic. Okay.
Kepler 22.
Yes, and we'll discuss it in the next class for sure. Okay. Meanwhile, the community helpers could be the shopkeepers also, could be the drivers also, the sanitation workers. They
Who
can
is
be the
sanitation workers?
sanitation workers are the ones that fixes all your we say, they collect and make all the the
These
sweepers
workers.
and all, who makes the areas clean, your toilets clean in
Yeah.
public places. Yes. Okay. And then it could be post office workers, electricians, plumbers, and all. So they are what?
And
That-
some pipe makers.
Yes. Exactly.
And some pump operators.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Now tell me, we have doctors. Okay. So what do they do? in the
Well,
community?
I don't know.
Come on. Tell
Acha,
me.
we can help anyone.
How would they help now? That is what I'm trying to ask you.
They would they would keep cure them well, or they will
Basically,
kind of.
they keep us healthy, na?
Huh?
The doctors helps us to remain healthy. And next is teacher. What is
Teacher helps us by teaching.
by teaching? That means they help us to
Teach.
learn. You will not be teaching, na? You'll be learning. The teacher will be teaching. So he'll be teaching you, and you will be learning. So
Teaching.
no, it's not cheating. It's teaching. So when
Ma'am,
we teach you,
me and my class are cheating.
I know. This is something very common. The students used to make fun of it. It's not cheating, it's teaching. Okay. So
Yeah.
teacher helps you to learn. Then it is the police officer.
Police officers help us by catching thieves.
And helps basically what do? They helps us to keep
The city safe.
safe. Good. Very good. Yes. Next is what? It is firefighters.
Firefighters help us by putting out fires and rescuing people from fires.
Yes, so they help us during fires and emergencies, na? And what do the farmers do?
Farmers help us by growing crops or
Good. Yes.
vegetables, etc. to eat
Yes.
and sell in the market.
Good. And like I told you, what do the sanitation workers do? They keep the places Clean.
Clean.
Okay, this is
Like
important.
the what we call it? Dusting team.
Dusting team. Cleaning team, I would say you should say. Okay.
How much we have a dusting team?
Okay, you can say that. Okay. Now tell me, we're going to talk about the doctors now. So, what is the workplace for the doctors called as?
Hospitals,
Very good. And
hospitals and hospitals only.
their own clinics, na?
And their own clinics and some kind of hospitals which their
Yes.
ambulance they can work in that also.
Exactly. Now, can you tell me what are the tools and the equipments that are being
Yes,
equipments? Yeah, I'm saying what are the tools or
yes.
the equipments that are being used by the doctors?
Acha, the equipment used by the doctors are used for like
So what is it now? What is that?
into machines if they get destroyed.
Oh, okay, okay. I am trying to ask you what is that main equipment which the doctors uses just to check your heartbeat and the other things by putting it on your chest
Acha,
and
yes, that stethoscope.
yes, good, perfect.
But isn't Kepler 22 be in Andromeda?
My dear. Okay. So what I'm asking you what you are trying to ask me. Can you repeat it?
Okay. Hey, what's this?
The stethoscope,
Acha.
isn't it? So the doctors used to wear these parts
Used
of the
or
stethoscope.
where they or used to or do they wear right now?
Sorry, I didn't get your point. It was buffering. Can you repeat?
Buffering?
You got just freeze, na? Can you repeat it?
But don't doctors use it nowadays or do they used to use these?
No, stethoscope is evergreen. It is like always used by the doctors. Yes.
Then the first hospitals used to have also these.
Yes.
But not like these.
You can say that. Good. Yes. Okay.
How do they used to check heartbeats?
It was initially, checked from their pulse. I hope you know. Can you see this? This is your wrist.
Huh?
Are you seeing?
Acha, when you
Ah,
put it on the heart.
no. It is not like that. You put two fingers on your wrist from it towards its inner side, and you can check it right now. There, it's beating. Can you check?
Issue with another hand issue, huh?
Yes.
Like this.
Like this?
Yes, you will feel the heartbeat here. Like the beat, not the. Hold it थोड़ा hard.
नहीं तो
हाँ होता है.
Yes. Okay. So earlier it was one of the simplest and the
And
common.
then after the earlier ones, when the stethoscope used to be made, not like these, but how it used to look like these only.
No, they were different in designs as well. Na? So today with technology, we have got improved with their forms. Okay. Earlier,
Show me the earlier stethoscope by drawing here.
okay, you want me to draw it here?
Yes, one of these.
Okay, just give me a second. Let me draw it.
Because I don't know how many stethoscopes. Are there 1,000,000,000 infinite stethoscopes in the world?
Okay.
भारत पे राज करेंगे मैं कल नहीं आज भारत
My dear, it was, How do they do it? Was you'll be amazed now. See, I'm gonna draw it.
Okay, 2 eyes. It's like the same only.
No, you'll amazed. See, just give me 2 minutes. I'm drawing it. You'll be shocked here. Okay, and here they used to join, and it is like a horn-like thing here, horn-like substance. Yes, in today's time, the doctors used to have like this now,
So yes.
right? But earlier it was that these were the two parts from where the doctors could hear the heartbeat by putting them in their ears, and this was the way only, like it was like a
Horn
what do we
thing
call it?
put on the chest. मतलब-
Yes, directly. But today it is so feasible, it is so flexible now that we have a length of this stethoscope, and it becomes very easy to go and check at any part of your body.
Yes.
Got my point?
Mom, can we check our brains?
With the stethoscope? No.
Yeah.
No.
Brain beat.
No, brain doesn't beat. It is only the heart that beats and your blood vessels through which the blood flows.
You know, one time, me and my brothers, I was saying that we are the whole tower is the body part. Then I said we are. Then my brother said we are the blood vessels. After one ball of mine, water fell down. I said toilet निकली.
No.
I
Okay.
said
Next is what? The thermometer.
thermometer, which we
Yes.
which we can
Yes.
put in our mouth and our.
Just check the
I should
temperature
know.
of your body.
I'll just check on my thermometer. La.
Huh?
I can show you my thermometer.
Are, I know, I have seen it already, but I want you to explain what is it.
It is a machine which can check our temperature.
Yes.
It's not here, Beckham.
Where is it?
I'll give you a bit book.
Go. Mom, so can you show me what the early time thermometers?
Okay.